Adding astral effect on Alight Motion is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add astral effect on Alight Motion. Now here I have the one shape, but in your case you need to have your image. So here it's supposed if I have one image and I want to add astral effect on it. So how can I do that? In order to do that you simply have to tap on it. In order to get these options, there you have to go fix, then you have to tap on this add effect option. There you have to go to move, transfer, then you have to go to this option which is the rest of transform, and in there you have to select ghost bar, and there you go, there is your effect right there. You can adjust the settings according to you. You just have to keep playing with it until you find the best ones for you. So that's that's how it will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this. Should I have 4